33, we're asked to sketch the graph of a linear function. This is the linear function that they give us, x minus y, linear inequality. X minus y is greater than negative 1. Remember, to graph linear inequalities, we need to graph them as equations. So I wrote x minus y equals negative 1 and split it into two equations so I could use the cover-up method to find the intercepts. For the first one, I covered up x and solved for y by dividing by negative 1 on both sides. And a negative 1 divided by a negative 1 became a positive 1. So I plot a point right here on the y-axis at positive 1. For my second equation, I covered up the y term and got x was equal to negative 1. Therefore, I plot a point right here on the x-axis at negative 1. The reason I connected my line as a dotted line is because this inequality symbol right here is just greater than, not greater than or equal to. Therefore, it is just a dotted line. From there, I used a test point. So I plugged in 0, 0 because that's the easiest point to choose. If I plug it in here, I get 0 minus 0 is greater than negative 1. You'll see down here that 0 minus 0 is in fact equal to 0, and yes, that is greater than negative 1, so that is a true statement when I put a check mark. Therefore, I'm going to shade on the same side of the line as the point 0, 0, and I've shaded down.